If you shoot a deer, but you don't land the perfect shot, it might run off into the bush with an arrow in it, like mine did. Now, it may not appear to be hurt, but it's suffering, and it will eventually fall. So I'm gonna have to go out there, finish the job, track him down.
You're going to be looking for broken branches, scuff marks on the ground, fur, and of course, blood drops in the area. Remember, when deer run, they tend to flip over leaves in their path, so look closely for any other drops of blood, because a broken branch, clump of fur, or scuff mark are all good signs, but not nearly as good as finding more blood on the ground.
When you find a blood trail like this one, don't just leave it. You want to mark the area with a piece of orange tape. Then, comb the area in a circle.
Found it? When you approach the downed animal, make sure it's dead before you get too close. If you notice that it's still alive, you'll need to be prepared to use your firearm to finish the job quickly. It's your duty to make sure that the game animal doesn't suffer unnecessarily. Always approach the downed animal from its back to avoid being within kicking, biting, or scratching reach. Try disturbing the animal several times with a long stick and watch closely for any type of reaction. Remember, if its eyes are closed, it doesn't necessarily mean that it isn't still alive.
Now here's a tip for tracking a deer. Let's say you've got a buck on the run, fatally wounded. Instinctually, it's gonna go down a hill or toward water. So, what you want to do if you can't find the blood trail is search for the buck according to the lay of the land, or get yourself a dog with a good nose.